Did you know you might be able to put more into your pension this year than the normal annual limit allows? It's called carry forward, and most people have never heard of it. Here's the rule of thumb. Every tax year, HMRC sets an annual allowance for how much can go into your pension with tax relief. Most people never get close to it. But if you've got unused allowance from the previous 3 tax years, you may be able to carry it forward and use it this year. This matters most if you've had a bonus, sold a business, or suddenly come into money and want to shelter more from tax in one go, rather than spreading it thin. The rules are specific. You typically need to have been a member of a registered pension scheme in those earlier years, even if you didn't pay in much. And you can only carry forward unused allowance, not create new allowance out of thin air. There's also a link to your earnings. Broadly, your total pension contributions in the current year are usually capped by what you actually earn, regardless of how much unused allowance you're carrying forward. High earners need to be extra careful because the annual allowance can taper down for people with very high income, which changes how much is actually available to carry forward. As always, the exact allowance figures, taper thresholds, and earnings caps change from year to year, so don't rely on last year's numbers. Check the current figures on gov.uk or use HMRC's pension calculator before making decisions. This is a genuinely useful tool for the right situation, but it's easy to get wrong. Speak to a regulated financial advisor or accountant before making large contributions, and remember, pensions are invested, so capital is at risk. Subscribe to Clear Money UK for more clear, honest breakdowns of how the system actually works.